Hi guys and welcome back. If you hear weird noises in the background, that is my children playing. But I wanted to bring you along for a rainy day treat. We are going to make brown butter Rice Krispie treats. The ultimate Rice Krispie treat, if you will. So, the Rice Krispie treats are super easy to do. Super easy to do. So, to start off, I have 5 tablespoons of butter that I have melted. Right now, I'm at a medium heat because I am browning the butter. Literally, all you have to do is melt the butter down and let it start cooking, sizzling, until it smells rich and nutty and is brown. Now, this is almost there. I just have a little bit longer, but once this is done, I will bring you back for the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so you can see that it is browned. You know it's done when you have the foam and then you have little brown bits on the bottom. That's how you know it's done. It's not burnt, it's just brown butter. And I'm telling you, if you've never had brown butter, you're going to want to put it on everything. So now I'm going to turn my heat to low. And we are going to add in 8 cups of marshmallows. You could use the small ones, the little minis, or I just have the big ones. And we're going to coat all the marshmallows in the brown butter. And then we're just going to slowly let this melt together. We're not cooking it. It's just warm. And we're going to let everything just kind of melt together. Okay, so once everything is nice and melted, we'll go ahead and turn off the heat. And now we are adding in 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. Now, one thing I want to say about the marshmallows. I have not done these with homemade marshmallows, but my homemade marshmallow recipe is pretty amazing. But I have tried off-brand marshmallows, and it is not the same. Now, these are off-brand Rice Krispie treats, and they work great. But I use the Kraft Jet Puffed for the actual marshmallows. I've done the off-brand, and the taste and the quality is different. So now we're going to mix everything together, make sure everything is coated. Now, once everything is coated, I add, there we go. Once everything's coated, I add additional marshmallows to the mix. You can do minis, of course. These I just chopped. And we're going to go ahead and mix these in while it's still warm so they kind of melt, but kind of don't. And then over here, because you got to work quick, I already have a baking sheet lined with wax paper that I'm going to spread this out on. You could use a casserole dish. You could make them thick and put them in like an 8x8. But I want mine to be on the thinner side, just so I get more. And so I have it on this 10x15 sheet lined with wax paper. Okay. Sorry you'll have my shadow. But this is what it looks like. There we go. That's better. Once I get it all flattened out. Now, when we put the extra marshmallows in, that would be the time if you wanted to add sprinkles, if you wanted to add chocolate chips. That's when you want to do it. While it's still warm, but it's not hot, because we don't want to melt anything. Unless, of course, we're doing a flavored Rice Krispie treat. Another thing, another little tip, to get it smooth in whatever you're putting it in, butter the back of a metal spoon and nothing will stick to it, because if you've ever made Rice Krispie treats, you know how sticky it is. And if you've never made Rice Krispie treats, it sticks to everything. So, now you just want to let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes until everything sets up, and then we can just cut and store in airtight containers. All right, so here is the finished product once they've been chopped or cut, not really chopped, but you can see they hold up nicely. This recipe for Rice Krispie treats is by far the best recipe I've ever made. I'm telling you, that brown butter is a game changer. And then adding in the extra bits of marshmallow is like a little treat that you just bump into while you're eating this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try it out for yourself. If you do, let me know down in the comments section. If you have a tried and true recipe, let me know, because I am always up for trying out new recipes. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.